Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard. Today's chapter is agriculture, cash crop, oilseed. Oilseed, under oilseed today. Today I will discuss about the groundnut. First I will say you about the oilseeds. Oilseeds is a commercial crop. Commercial crop means already I have told you that is wherever that we are exporting the crops and earning money, that is only linked with that the money, that is only commercial crop. So it is oilseeds are grown mainly in the tropical and subtropical region. Tropical this area and subtropical just after the 23.5 degree more than that is under tropical region, subtropical region, tropical and subtropical region. India is the leading producer of this groundnut, this oil seeds. Now next see that what are the economical importance of oil seeds. Vegetable oil extracted from oil seeds. It is an important item of Indian food. Secondly, we can say extracted oil is also used for the manufacturing of large number of products such as paints, varnishes, soaps, cosmetics, then medicinal items, perfume, etc. Number 3, oil cake. Oil cake means don't think that is birthday cake. That is oil cake means what? Oil cake is that the residue that is left after the oil is extracted from oil, whatever is extracted, that is only oil cake. Oil cake is used for as a cattle feed. Then number 4, the oil, this oil industry means oil seeds. Whatever the seeds are crushing and after crushing whatever that the oil is getting, that is only one industry only. So this industry employs millions of people. Then it is an important foreign exchange, or we can that earners also, means it is earning huge amount of foreign exchange. So these are because of this economic importance, oilseeds is playing a very vital role in our India's economy. Then how many types of oilseeds are there? 2. One is edible, which we can take, we can eat not, we can take it. We are mixing it in our cooking purpose. So that is edible oil and non-edible oil. Edible oil is groundnut, sesame, rapeseed, mustard, sunflower. These are the edible oils. These are used for making vegetable oil. And that non-edible oil, castor, linseeds are non-edible oil. It is used for used in the industrial ways and other commercial activities. Then first today we will start about the groundnut. So groundnut is also most important oil seed in India. So this is both Kharif and Rabi crop. Kharif means summer crop, Rabi means winter crop. So Kharif crop, it is in the, you see that where it is used as a Kharif crop, northern part it is used as a Kharif crop and southern part it is used as a that Rabi crop. Groundnut is also known as peanut or monkey nut. Why monkey nut? Because monkeys are eating that. That's why it is also used as peanut, called also peanut or monkey nut. Next come the climatic conditions. Temperature is needed for groundnut is ranging between 22 to 28 degree centigrade. Dry weather is needed during the time of ripening. After that we are coming rainfall. Rainfall in the drought, it is drought resisting crop. And it can grow in the areas wherever the less rainfall, such as 50 centimeter to 75 centimeter rainfall is there. And but it should be well distributed in the growing period, and it is respond well in the irrigated regions, means wherever we are giving that the irrigation facility is there, There only it is huge amount of production is there. Soil, it grows best in the light sandy soil. It also grows well in red soil, black soil, because you see that is southern part red soil, black soil is there. So red soil and black soil also it grows. And such light soils are essential for the nut means this groundnut ripening in this soil. After that, next come that the method of cultivation. Showing what we will see that groundnut is shown mostly between June and July and harvested in 3 to 4 months. Then the pods grow underground and it is known as groundnut. It is used as a rotation crop. Rotation crops means previous also I have told you that the millets, jowar, bajra, ragi, these are rotation crop. Means after if we will do continuously one crop in one field, then it will not give good production. Means yield will be not satisfactory. That's why for what we will use in between after using that one crop, if we use this groundnut or this oil seeds once, and again after that, after next year again if another crop if we will go for that, then it increases the fertility of the soil. That means that's why it is used as a rotation crops also with millets and other crops. And it is a leguminous crop. Leguminous crop means that is that the nitrogen fixation it helps. So it increases the fertility of the soil. Next is coming harvesting. Harvesting time is between October and November, and groundnut is dug out from that field. Then the pods are dried in the sun. A warm, dry winter season is needed for the during the period of ripening. Then after that we will see what are the uses of these oil seeds. Number one, they are used to extract cooking oil and also used as the manufacturing artificial leather, soap, oil requisites and margarine. And number two, the residue oil cake, again I have told you, oil cake, that is the residue left after crushing the groundnut, it is called oil cake and it is used for the as a cattle feed. And number three, everybody nuts are highly nutritious and they are eaten raw or sometimes roasted also. Areas of production means which areas it is growing. Now see, India is the largest producer of groundnut. So that it grows extensively in the peninsular region. About 75% of the production areas are Gujarat, here, Andhra Pradesh, this side, Tamil Nadu, this part, and Karnataka also, this part also. And Gujarat is Gujarat is the leading producer of that groundnut. So, the groundnuts are also two types, that is bunch type and also runner type. Okay, anyway, I have completed this groundnut up to here. Next video you will see that other oil seeds. I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.